Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Single mother from Edo State, wey dey for France, don give her pikin papa to France police make dem deport am go Nigeria. Dis na wetin CKY dey talk for dis video. CKY say wetin pain am for dis matter na him beg the guy make the guy come from Italy come join Irene for France. Make I leave you now, make you hear from CKY.
Good morning. Wait. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Sunday morning. This is just a short video anyway. Good morning. Happy Sunday morning. Today is the 9th day of January, the year 2022. Happy New Year to everybody. Happy New Year to my friends, family, loved ones. But I'm here this morning really to talk about some stupid things that is really happening around my territory. Some very stupid things that is happening around my territory. Listen, ladies in France, most especially Nigerian women, let me be specific. You that are from Edo State, the Benin women, something is happening recently that we really need to talk to. But let me be truthful to you. Good morning, Special Laura. Happy New Year. Good morning. Let me be truthful to you. Périgueux in France. She una see that una small group of vampires when una just believe on say yes because say your own don't spoil, other people own must spoil. I told her one word say not be every head na person they carry head they knack. Irene, abi wetin they call yourself? You born pikin for man, abi? You born 2 children for the man. You remember when you did come meet me, they tell me, say, CKY, talk to your brother. Your brother no angry come from Italy. Talk to your brother no angry come from Italy. At the end of it, this man came from Italy. He can't spend time with you. But because you don't get one boy when you don't the friend even before this man come, you cause problem. You give am problem. Yes, 2 wrongs cannot make it right. If 2 people quarrel, they go settle. I try talk to you. You say you don't tire. The man himself try every which way to take come. You draw near body. The next thing, you will give am more problem. At the end of it, you come out, you go Bordeaux. You and him meet for Bordeaux. Say you want to go bab your pikin hair. At the end of it, you not come back to house. You carry pikin go give your friend. The children go sleep for squat. You come out go fuck the boy. Which man you think say he go see that kind of thing when your mind no go vex? The man not still vex. The man call you as a woman say why you dey do this kind of thing to him children? Why you go carry him children come up for us when government give una for Périgueux? Come Bordeaux, abandon her with your friend. That one when be say she herself, she not know herself. Listen, listen. This very issue, may they ask you now, Irene, why you not carry my picture? Carry my own picture. Join those people when you go to donation to police. But whether you carry my picture, you not carry my picture, let me tell you the gospel truth. This your matter, Irene. I not put her for shoulder. Now head I put her because Emi dogo ya, I will go ya. You don't succeed, Abi. They don't go shocking am, Abi. Your plan, your prayer be say they go deport somebody when you don't know how the boy takes suffer. Pass through Libya. After all the suffer, when that boy don't first suffer from Morocco, you don't think of all those ones. Your own plan. Check my own life today. The same thing when the woman went born for me, wish me for Spain. At the end of it, what happened? Now she did it now. Me, I did for free word. This life, if you not do bad, you not feel die bad. Okay, you pursue this boy. You pursue now in the name of say, woman get right for Europe. The boy run come up for Périgueux. He run go Bordeaux. You still carry your wahala comot for Périgueux, you still go pursue this boy for Bordeaux. So to everybody when this boy make friend, you make sure say you turn the boy to enemy of all. Even up to me, you almost do am. If not be say me, I know they live for wetin people talk. The boy still run comot for Bordeaux. Run come meet me for my own city here. Irene, you still from your city, still throw stone, come meet my own friend. I tell you truth, Okeke may so rest in peace. He say if he no see anything do for him in-law, he go carry drum, go river, take go fetch water for him. If I no see anything do for this man when you go put for prison, frankly speaking, I will do everything to make sure say that your plan e no work. That deportation when you plan for man when you born for, or in the name of say you won't go the fuck one small boy, e no go work. And get that for your back of your mind, this very issue, me go follow you up. Because you no go fit carry those who are bad character wanna get for Nigeria. They deceive the government of France. You are lying to the government of France when it be say proof day of everything. The boy not there where you for go party for Perigo, where you for go fight trouble for party for Perigo. This boy not there. Where they for beat your friend Aisha. This boy not there. Then you don't see anything do. You go carry people vibration or picture, go to carry people picture because the picture dey for internet. We don't do many things for internet. You go to print people picture come out. Let me tell you one truth. European police, they are not stupid. The way una police for Nigeria are stupid, okay? Notice that you just carry go station, you go lie. Then your lie when you lie. Now they go take na lie. They go investigate the issue. For your good information, by the special grace of God, on the 17th, maybe at the end of it, now you and that your co-enter it. As not did that Perigo, so as not did that Perigo, they plan the downfall of other people. Now see and say, not be who fair go station, not be in the win case. You and carry lie, take go deceive police. At the end of it, when they go discover, say, now you lie, you wait for the result. You go wait for the result. You hear? You go wait for the result. Bet my word. No worry. Tomorrow, I dey go give and close. Me, CKY, I dey go give and close. Before that on the 17th, when all of us go reconsider, talk this issue. This week I no go work. No. Tomorrow I go give and close. Tomorrow, they don't give me the account to tell you, say, yes, your plan go fail. I'll put money for them. May still buy something for inside prison there. Yes, now. It go come. And as I do that one, Irene, me, want go donation, you and that your friend. Because you know if it use me, take call your man when you born for call for Italy. At the end of it, you can't condemn, you want condemn that guy life for France here. I will never allow you people do it. Now maybe CKY. Yes, now. I discover portals. This very portal, when you shot Irene, born 2 children for man, because of one small boy in the friend. The boy in the friend, I see him the other day for Bordeaux. I call him as a small boy. Just to talk to her. As soon as I mention, say, this woman, you know what he do? He tell you now. He go not tell you. He run. I know the fight. No, I know the fight. There are more than 1,000,001 ways of fighting. This fight when una carry come as so. Yes, we know say women really, truth, that they suffer well for men hand. But not be all men. This very boy so, Irene, wetin you go see say this boy do you? E no dey. That say the boy dey quarrel with you, say no dey carry im children go dey abandon with your useless friend because say you wan go fuck. If you wan do that kind of thing, call the father, give the father right to the children. But you say no, you wan carry pikin go give another man, go fall for your head. Go fall for your head. Frankly speaking, e go fall for your head. Na me talk am. My name na CKY. This very issue, e go fall for your head. But that person, in a way, me no pay man no do owo to ye. But that person when they give you mind, See, carry this video, go show your police. Use this video, even tell that your police say CKY they threaten you. You know, say you never involved me before. Whether you involve me or not involve me, I have involved myself already. Go ask your police station for Perigo. Ask the police station for Perigo. I have called them. I give them my number. And for your good information, I not tell you everything. Then you go here. Go, deload there. This one when you do so, misleading the police of France. Lying to the police of France. You know what they call them for English? Misleading information. I not be lawyer. But I don't need any lawyer to tell me what is my right. How somebody went, thank God, said, even the police, they even let the man know, say, guy, your telephone, don't they read for CKY territory since on the 27th of November. You don't know the one they beat you for Perigo. That your small, dirty because when not let you keep for one place. Yes, now you don't chop yam. Yam not belle for you now. You want to go find cassava. That cassava, it go break inside your because. I tell you the truth. You go here come. The day when you use me, they deceive man when you come from Italy. The man come here, you want deport him. It not work for you, Irene. Now Sunday morning I did so. Every plan, wanna plan towards that, my friend. Every plan. Evil plan on a plan towards them, back to sender, as I pray spiritually, I go follow now physically. Today na Sunday, tomorrow na Monday. Una go here come. Perigo. I know they talk of everybody in the state for Perigo because good people still there. But you see that in a small group. That one when they come from Italy. That one when people on first still beat. Drive come out when they want to make una audition with it for there. So that man when that one a small group. More than no worry. Una no say they give woman right for Europe, no? And I bet una when be Nigeria, una no know how to use that right. If they give una chance, una will find chances. If they give una allowance, una will find allowances. Just because of say small misunderstand the day, you pursue this man for 1 year. Go see the kind of life when this boy they live. Then you not still rest for them. You one person get worried for Jerusalem. You carry and still continue worry the man when you don't face the worry. This life, now God, now the drive fly come off for cow body when not get it. You still say that guy not get it. Not forget say the guy get God. I greet you now. Good morning. That na your short message. I bet Mona call this message. Mona send and go give them when they for Perigo. Irene, might be your real name, Abi, but I call you. I don't want to call my friend Pikin name join this video. No. Now you, Irene, without your small squad of people, there are more than 1 million and one ways of fighting. I will never knock anybody. But by the time when I go finish beat una, the official way when I take the beat people, by the time when I go re-flog una, the official flogging, una go no say, not be everybody that they lie for your head. Not be everybody that they do evil, you go free. You go see her. I greet you now. Good morning. Happy New Year. That is just the short message I bring up. Yes, now. Not be me happen to, but I will not wait for it. It don't happen to me before. Yeah, if it happened to me, thank God I overcome my own. So it happened to somebody around me. It's similar thing. Then you think your fault, man, you relax. God forbid. I not be that kind of person. I not be that kind of. Even if you go around the police to say yes, all of us will be the same 10 and 10 person. When I not say yes, now for right, more go. But at the end of it, we go see how it won't be. You don't deceive the police or the name because you define favor. You don't need to deceive any police. All the proof when they need, I'll see and provide. All, I'll see and provide. Mona, you get patient. Today na Sunday. You, when bite person yash, you not think say you go bite shit. If that person want come bite your own yash, he go bite the yash, bite shit. So now be waiting 4 night for that Perigo. Don't think one they do, but this very one, it go end everything. Good day to the good people. Bye for the now.
Now we don't hear from CKY. Let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear wetin dey happen for this life where we dey. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.